Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your chats on WhatsApp web or PC. For this, just go to your web browser, then search for WhatsApp web. After that, what you have to do is go to the first link, and here is some instruction on how to download or use WhatsApp web. As I have already logged in and downloaded the WhatsApp in my PC, so I'm going to my WhatsApp app. Now first we will open a chat, and as you can see, when the chat screen is open, someone might come up and can see our chat. So the first thing we can do is we can right click on it and close the chat, or the best thing we can do to hide it, to right click and go to the archive, and the chat will disappear from the chat list. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.